This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather. Severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather. The test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Wind advisory available.
Yo.
This is a test of NOAA weather radio's warning alarm systems.
Yeah.
The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Regular programming.
That's barely.
Alright. We shove off in about 45 minutes.
Now for the official...
You got it.